Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be drawing a cupcake. The supplies I'm going to use are a pencil, a Uniball pen, and Faber-Castell polychromos. First, let's start by drawing the cup of the cupcake. First, draw two slanting lines and connect them. Next, add some bumpy lines on top of it. Last one. Now, let's draw the cake. Look, I'm just drawing a oval shape over it, a curved line over it. Now, let's draw the frosting. First, draw a line. I think that's way too low. Now let's draw the frosting. Follow me. Draw a curve first. No. First draw a curve. Then make a straight line. Then add a wobbly line and the frosting. Add some lines inside it. Now let's draw a top part. First draw a curve and make it pointy and point it to the right. Then add some lines in there too. Now let's draw a cherry. First draw a circle and draw a curved line inside it and draw another curved line for the stem. And draw a triangle shape at the end. Now let's draw some wafers. First draw two rectangles and draw some lines inside them. Now let's draw a strawberry. First draw a heart shape, then draw some triangles on top of it to make its leaves. Now let's draw a bow. First draw two curves and connect them and draw a bow shape. Next, draw a curve inside them and draw two lines. And draw two lines at the bottom. Now we can draw the cupcakes. We can add some detail to the cupcake's cup. Draw some lines on it. can fine line it with the Uniball pen. I'll be right back. I have made the edges thicker and I have finished the cupcake. Now we can start coloring. The colors I'm going to use are a dark red, a magenta, a blue, a light blue, a white, a dark red and a light red, a walnut brown, and a burnt ochre. First, take your magenta and color in the frosting. First, make it dark, then make a transition to the light color. Press hard first, then make it light. Now take your walnut brown and let's color the cake. First, color the edges darkly, then make it lighter, press lighter. Then take the burnt ochre and blend it with it. Now take your dark red and color a little bit dark red on the middle and draw one circle. That's gonna be a highlight. Take your normal red and blend it with it. Next, do the same with the strawberry, but first take your light red, normal red in the middle and the dark red in the edge of the strawberry. Now take your green. I forgot to mention the green. Take the green and start coloring it in the leaves of the strawberry. Now take your blue and color the cup. Color the edges darkly like that. Then Do it to all the lines we drew on the cup. Now take your walnut brown and color in the wafers only the lines we drew. Do the same to the second one. Leave one gap. Then take your burnt ochre and color the edges darkly and the inside lightly so it looks more round. Next, let's start coloring in the bow. First, let's draw some highlights or reflections and color that in. And now press hardly and make the pigment in your pencil come out. Next, draw some highlights on the bow ribbon. Next, color in the line we drew. Leave on some highlights. And take your dark red and color in the two curves we drew. This is the finished drawing. See you until next time. Bye.